Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. In this video, we're going through an apartment located in Las Palmas in a very iconic building. This is the first half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath apartment. This is the laundry area. Once we see the view, you'll probably know where it is. If you know Medellin, you probably have seen this apartment or this building, I should say. This area right here is like a little office area at the entrance here, which I think is pretty cool because it's separate from the rest of the apartment. If you do have to take calls or work and be a little bit private, you can be. This is the first bedroom, which they are using, the current owner is using as a movie room, which I think is cool, but it could easily be a bedroom, and it does have access to that big balcony, which we'll take a look at. This is the living area / kitchen area. I love how it's the open concept with the stovetop facing the living area, so that if you do have people over and you're cooking together, it can be inclusive, right? This is the first full bathroom, a shared bathroom as well. As you can see, they're living in it right now. This has been remodeled. This is not what the base model looks like. The person living in it is actually a builder, a constructor, I should say, a contractor. He's leaving the country. That's why he's selling it. He's going to go work in another country, building homes. So he's selling this. So he did a really good job with the remodel, as you can see. It looks really modern. This is the master bedroom with the master bath with the double sink, big shower, and the king-size bed in this bedroom as well. What I thought was neat about this one is that it has its own little balcony here, which I thought was cool. You could easily put maybe like bar stools and a high table here. Maybe have some coffee in the morning and have some privacy apart from the rest of the house and the bigger balcony, which we'll take a look at here in a minute. As we head back over, we'll take a look at that other bedroom here, which is also pretty big. They use it as their kids' room, but it could easily fit a king-size bed in there. Again, this is the view from the kitchen. As you could see the entire valley, the entire city. It has a great view because it faces towards the city instead of towards the mountain. And this is the building here. Well, the building adjacent to it. It's 2 buildings in this unit, or in this complex, I should say. And the asking price on this one is $316,000 US. It is 137 square meters, which is about 1,500 square feet. The price per square meter is reasonable compared to some of the newer buildings. It's only 10 million pesos per square meter, which comes out to be about 2,300. It is a 2.5 bath, 3-bedroom apartment. It has a pool, it has a sauna, it has a ton of other amenities in the complex itself. And this is the kicker, is this view and this giant deck. Really, it's more than just a balcony, I would say. You could put this up on Airbnb monthly. If you want to see this apartment, if you want to make an offer on it, or maybe you're looking for something different, click on the link in the description below and fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.